Double Island. We are at Tiawa Beach. It is so beautiful. I just camped here with the beautiful mountains in the background. This is our view. So today I have an action-packed day for you. I've got the efoil paddleboarding, hiking up to this beautiful lighthouse and swimming and stuff and surfing and maybe even some spearfishing. So it's going to be a really fun action-packed day. And it's really great because this place is only 3 hours drive away from Brisbane, and it's a half an hour drive from Double Island Point to Rainbow Beach, which is really fun because you can get a pint of beer or a milkshake or whatever you feel like. So this is the view. Let's go have a fun day. Hey guys, so we just made it to Double Island Point and it is terribly windy, but that's okay. Yeah, so I really love this view. It's probably one of my favorite beaches, as you can see why. It's so beautiful and I love looking out for like couples and stuff like that. It's really fun. And normally when it's not windy, it is actually really nice when it's not choppy in the ocean. But maybe going around to the other side of the point around there today.
Okay, let me tell you, using the efoil board here on Double Island Point, aka Tiwa Beach, was so much fun. So many people looked at it and were like, that is so cool. It was amazing. I really loved using it, but I found it just a little bit hard to use, but I still had so much fun using it. And it's just fun just zooming around, laying on it and stuff like that. But once you stand up on it, it feels so great. I personally had it on baby mode because I was still just beginning out on it, but I'm getting better and better each time I use it. So yeah, it's really so much fun. And let me show you how to really use it though.
Nearly fell off the board, so I had to go to land, but yeah, everyone's out surfing right now instead. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for another little swim because I was in there for ages on the efoil board. Not sure, I don't think I'm gonna get paddleboarding today done, but it's a bit wavy for it. But the efoil was good because once I got out past the waves, it was fine. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna let him go out and do the spearfishing and get some lunch and get the flippers and snorkel gear out, and I'm just gonna stay here on my towel and just enjoy the sun, have a little nap and chill out. Okay, so here we are, we're just going to the Double Island Lighthouse Point. It has been so hot, so honestly I haven't even had any shade at all. This is probably the only shade I've just gotten now. I have been going for many ocean dunks. The ocean's been a bit rough as well, so not really paddleable like supboarding for me. But I did get to go on a zoom board, so that was really fun. But yeah, and the fishing did not go well. It was really murky and stuff, and yeah. So that was a no-go. So it was just sausages for lunch, but yeah. Alright, here we go. I wonder how long this walk is. Oh wow, look at that view. So beautiful. I really like the view. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. This is a steep climb. Okay, this feels so much nicer now that I am in the shade. Woo, yes. I'm liking this little bit of shade to the lighthouse walk. Oh, there it is. That's cool. I don't know if you can see it from here. Wait, that's ages away. That's a long walk. Okay, keep walking. At least I'm getting my steps in today. Woo.
very warm, but look at that view, right? Yeah. Stunning. Oh, there's I can see the rainbow side, and wait for it. The lighthouse is here. Love it. Okay, here we have it, the lighthouse. It's really gorgeous. It's giving Round the Twist vibes. That's what it's giving. If you've seen Round the Twist, you know what I mean. It's giving that, but it's really pretty. So yeah, I'm always loving this side. Obviously we couldn't go down one angle because the one side, the rainbow side, because the weather with the ocean was a bit meh. So this side was still lovely. Yeah, I'm really happy with this trip. Very, very hot though. So thanks for watching. Bye.